Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we are here at Vajram Chrysanthemum by Vajram Group, and this project is located right here in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. So this is our marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and details, and even you can check out the model flat. Now about the land parcel, which is exactly in front of me. The main entrance is right over here. So the land parcel starts from here itself. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 3.3 acre of land parcel consisting of just 4 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 4 floors, offering you 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and basically this project is located right here in Avalahalli, Yelahanka, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our project, and this road over here is Enridge Green Park Township Road, which will connect you towards Doddaballapura main road. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Yelahanka main road in 1.3 kilometers. BMS Institute of Management and Technology is 1.8 kilometers away, and the big market is 2.2 kilometers away from your location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 40 plus world-class amenities like of 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, multi-purpose lawn, kids play area, multi-purpose court, herbal garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starts from 2341 square feet and goes up to 2449 square feet, and 3.5 BHK is 2585 square feet and goes up to 2685 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Vajram Chrysanthemum by Vajram Group, which is located right here in Yelahanka, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.